Welcome back to day 44. Today, we focus on professional communication. In business, clear communication is not just about speaking, it's about organizing information, highlighting key ideas, and making your message easy to follow. Let's strengthen your communication vocabulary. First, clarify. Instead of saying explain better, you can often use clarify. This means making something easier to understand and removing confusion. Definition. To make something clear or easier to understand by giving more details or a simpler explanation. For example, could you clarify the final deadline for the project? Clarify is often used when information is unclear or when there is a risk of misunderstanding. Unlike the more general word explain, it focuses on making something clearer. Question for you. What type of information at work often needs clarification? Second, outline. Instead of saying describe briefly or give the main points, you can often use outline. This means presenting the most important facts or structure of something. Definition. To describe only the main facts or ideas of something. For example, the manager outlined the company's strategy during the meeting. Outline is commonly used when presenting plans, strategies, or ideas. It focuses on the main points rather than detailed information. Question for you. When was the last time you had to outline a plan or idea clearly? Third, emphasize. Instead of saying stress or say something is important, you can often use emphasize. This means giving special importance or attention to something. Definition. To show that something is very important or worth giving attention to. For example, the report emphasizes the importance of customer satisfaction. Emphasize is used when you want to draw attention to a particular point or make sure it is not overlooked. Question for you. What point do you often need to emphasize during meetings or discussions? Contextual summary. During the presentation, the director clarified the objectives, outlined the implementation plan, and emphasized the importance of meeting the deadline. Key takeaway. Clarify is about removing confusion. Outline is about presenting key information clearly. Emphasize is about directing attention to important points. These verbs are common in professional communication because they help make information clear, structured, and easy to understand. Now, it's your turn for a challenge. Upgrade this sentence. The manager explained the plan and said the deadline was very important. Rewrite it using today's vocabulary and post it in the comments. Thank you for your focus today. Stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next lesson.